welcome back. And this video is going to be about Fuschl, Fuschl am See. Fuschl is a small little village just outside of Salzburg, about a half an hour drive out of Salzburg, and it's a small little village that's directly situated at the end of Lake Fuschl. It's a beautiful spot and something that most people don't know. It's on the way from Salzburg to Hallstatt, directly situated on the Romantikstraße, which leads through this area here. Check this out, isn't that beautiful? So I'm just taking the walk around Lake Fuschl. Lake Fuschl is about 2.5 miles long. It's not too large, but it's just really beautiful. And the water is crystal clear as well. And it's a natural destination for sunbathers and for swimming. And you can actually do that right here. There's a beach area, there's a public pool, but there's also a few private pools that accept guests, and you can take a walk all around the lake. The walk around the lake is going to take you about 3 hours, a little less if you're a good walker. It's not too difficult. They call it the FUSCHLSEE Rundweg. So here they say 3.5 hours. I think you can do it faster. Along the way there's very nice restaurants where they serve some grilled fish, barbecue, some sausages and some other snacks that you can take. It's definitely a beautiful destination and something that nobody knows about. It's a little bit of an unexpected surprise in Fuschl is that Fuschl is actually the headquarters of Red Bull worldwide, and so that's just behind me here. You can't visit it inside, so that's pretty much as close as you can get, but it's still a very impressive building. I love the architecture. And those bulls stampeding out of the building is also pretty cool. It's like, very nice surprise. And it looks beautiful. On the other side of Lake Fuschl, there's the Fuschl Castle, which is quite a historic castle. And today it's a hotel, it's a luxury hotel. I've never been in there, but I saw some pictures and they look really nice. But it's definitely the 5-star type of place, and situated directly in the lake. So I'm now walking by here the Seebad, which is the beach area of Lake Fuschl. And for a small entrance fee, you can spend the day here. There's parking right next to it, and that's not too expensive. Parking is about 3-4 euros. It's around $5. It's very hard to find non-paid parking around here. It's, clearly in the summer, FUSCHLSEE is a very touristic place, but I could imagine that many locals come here as well because it's just so beautiful. A great way to explore Fuschl is also to ride an e-bike. That's pretty cool. I haven't tried that yet, but I'll definitely want to do that. You can also rent some boats, and you can do a little bit of a boat trip. Fuschl is also a great place to stay when you're here in the area. Prices are affordable, definitely more affordable than in some of the more touristy places like Hallstatt and probably also Salzburg. So check out the hotels here. There's actually a Sheraton here, which is beautiful, and I've stayed there before. But there's also a number of local small hotels that have direct access to the beach and look quite affordable as well. Another good tip is the food here. You get some really nice food, fresh fish. They have fresh trout and all kinds of other snacks. So a typical price for a meal here is around 12 to 20 euros, around 15 to $25. And the food is super fresh and just really delicious. So if you're hungry, either as part of your walk around Lake Fuschl or just to come here for lunch or dinner, there's lots of places around here that have excellent food. So I would recommend to use Fuschl here as your base when you come to this area. If you want to spend a few days in the Salzkammergut, if you're on your way to Hallstatt, or you plan to explore Salzburg, this is a great place to be. It's much more quiet, it's really serene, beautiful, and probably a little bit less costly than some of the other places around here. The hike around Lake Fuschl goes up and down. Sometimes you get the spot close to the lake, sometimes you have to go up a little bit. But the vistas are always great. Listen to this. Isn't that amazing? So nice. Alright, this my day comes to a close here in Fuschl. I'm gonna say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave some comments below, and also subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.